I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you test questions on linear relations. Let us now explore direct and partial variation with the help of this example. Allison and Lucy belong to different fitness clubs. Allison has a membership that costs her $84 after she pays $2 each time she visits the club. Lucy has a pay-as-you-go membership and she pays $8 each time she visits her club. Which situation represents a direct variation? Part B is how much do they pay for 12 visits each? For how many visits will they pay the same amount? So that is the set of questions for you. You can pause the video and answer the questions. Now the first one is which situation represents direct variation? Now in the case of Lucy, she pays as you go, right? And she pays $8 each time. So if you don't go, you don't pay. That's the whole idea. So if you don't go, you don't pay. And therefore this one is a direct variation. So the second one, which is for Lucy, where the rate is $8 per visit, right, is the direct variation. The second question is, how much do they pay for 12 visits? Now for Allison, the payment is $84. That is a fixed cost. It's a partial variation and she pays $2 each time. So we could write the equation for Allison as payment will be 84 plus $2 each time. So let's say 2x. Since there are 12 visits, that payment should be equals to 84 plus 2 times 12, right? So you can use your calculator, find the answer. 2 times 12 is 24. Add 84 to 24 to get the answer as 108. So $108 is what Allison will pay, right? Now let us do the similar calculations for Lucy. So in case of Lucy, the payment is as you go. So here is a direct variation. So it is 8 times x. Now x in our case is 12. So it is 8 times 12, which is $96, right? So Lucy will pay $96 for 12 visits, whereas Allison will pay $108 for 12 visits. Part C is, for how many visits will they pay the same amount? Now in case they are paying for the same amount, then 84 plus 2x should be equals to 8x, right? So we can equate these two costs and then find the value of x. So we get 84. So we can take away 2x on both sides. So we have 8x minus 2x. That gives us 6x equals to 84. And now we can solve for x. Since 6x equals to 84, x is equals to 84 divided by 6, right? 6 will go one time in 8, 24, 6 times 4. So it is 14 visits, correct? So our answer for this is, for 14 visits, they both will pay the same amount, right? If the visits are more than 14, in that case, Allison is going to pay much lesser, right? Now, if I have to sketch the graph for both, then in that case, for Allison and for Lucy, the graphs will kind of look like this. For Lucy, it's a direct variation, be kind of like this. And for Allison, it is kind of like this, starting at 84, partial variation, correct? I hope that gives you a good idea about how to work out the problems which relate to direct and partial variation. I hope that helps. We'll take a few more similar ones with slight variation. That will prepare you for your test. Thank you and all the best.